It's game day and we're tailgating at my house. I got my brothers coming over with my nieces and my nephews. I'm making them a surf and turf cheesesteak. I'm adding some crab meat to thinly sliced shaved beef. All right, I'm gonna head over to my griddle and get this cheesesteak going. All right, I got a flat top here. I wanna douse it with a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add some onions. I have about 2 large onions sliced here. I'm gonna cook these onions down before I add my meat. I wanna also season my onions. Add a little Worcestershire sauce, give it a smoky steakhouse flavor, some soy sauce. While this cooks down, I gotta season my crab meat and make my sauce. I have about a pound of lump crab meat. I'm gonna add seafood seasoning to this. For the most part, I'm gonna cook down that shaved beef with the onions, and right before I put it inside the bread, I'm gonna fold in this crab meat. Oh yeah. Is your mouth watering yet? That's the point. As if this cheesesteak isn't already amazing with that beef and crab meat, I gotta make a special sauce to go on top of it. I mean, this thing is flavorful. I've got some mayo here. The great thing about making sauces from scratch, you eyeball it. You taste it and add and take away whatever as you go. All right, this sauce is called Have Mercy sauce. It's a pretty simple sauce. So I put in a little hot sauce. I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard. Gives it a little tang, that's what I like to say. Some salt and pepper. And I'm going to give it a little taste to see if I need to add anything. I'm ready for this tailgate party. That's good. Just gonna funnel this in my little squeeze bottle here, because I wanna squirt it on top. My onions are starting to cook down. What I like to do is just to sweat them out a little bit more, is add some water. Mixing them around. Right now I'm gonna add in some shaved beef. Sometimes they have this pre-packaged, but if not, you just go to your butcher and ask them to basically shave some beef for you. Okay. I'm excited about this. I have eaten my fair share of cheesesteaks, and I enjoy making them at home. All right, I'm gonna add a little soy sauce, just a little squirts of that. And I'm gonna switch over now because I know better. I'm gonna use my spat. So I'm only cooking the beef until I don't see any more pink. All right, what I like to do is add some cherry peppers. I love cherry peppers. It's a little briny, a little salty, a little vinegary. I like to add that in there for some color. This would be a great time to add that crab meat. Look at that, y'all. This is gonna make more than enough, and that's okay. I'm gonna send them home with something. Last but not least, add this American cheese on top. Get that melted down. The only way to go is white American. The crab, the cheese, the seasoning, some of that special sauce, my Have Mercy sauce is gonna go on top. Why not top these off? Why not top them off? This one needs a little bit more loving. Got my sauce, just gonna put that right on top. Look at that. Low country cheesesteaks.